Vedic Maths classes.
Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to my Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So kids, in our last video, we have studied digital roots. I have told you how to find a digital root of a number. So let's take an example as your number is 256. Now what is the digital root of this number? You have to add each number. 2 plus 5 plus 6. Now add them. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Now this is not your digital number. A digital number should be single digit. You have to add the number till it become a single digit. So again add them. 1 plus 3 and your digital root is 4. Means your digital root should be numbers from 1 to 9. This topic we have studied in our previous video. I have given you a quick revision of your previous topic. Now students, just remind that in our last topic I have told you, or you can say in my last video I have told you that digital roots helps you to check addition, subtraction, multiplication, and you can see here division. Now students listen. With the help of digital roots, आप digital roots की help से you can check your sum. The sum of multiplication, subtraction, addition and division. If you have done any addition sum and you have to check that addition sum, so you can use this digital root method. As I have told you earlier, these digital roots help you to check the sum without redoing it. आपको sum दोबारा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. With the help of this digital root, you can find out your answer is right or wrong. So kids, today we will take addition. This one by one in my video I will take each topic. Today we are taking addition, how you will check your addition sums with the help of digital root without redoing it. So students, let's start. Use of digital roots in case of addition. Now, is it fine? Use of digital roots in case of addition. Now students, we will take our first sum. Our sum is 41 plus 26 and we have to add it. Now first of all, add your sum. See, some students will think that these digital roots will help them in addition. No students, you have to do your addition sum by yourself. These digital roots help you to check the sum without redoing it. Means it will help you to check. So, first of all, do your sum. 6 plus 1, 7 and 4 plus 2, 6. Now use the digital root to find your answer is correct or not. Now find the digital root of the first number. 4 plus 1, 5. Now the digital root of the second number. 6 plus 2, 8. Got it? Now you have to add both the digital roots. 8 plus 5, 13. Now this is not a digital root. You have to add it again. 4 is a digital root. Now add this. 7 plus 6, 13 and 3 plus 1, 4. So see, digital root of this number and digital root of these numbers after adding is coming the same. This means your addition is right. See now students, with this sum, what you get? First of all, you have to find out the digital root of your first number. Then you have to find out the digital root of your second number. Then add them both. If it is coming a double digit, make it a single digit. Means your last answer should be a single digit. Then find out the digital root of your answer and it should be the same. Now kids, some will think that doing this is better than doing the sum again. See kids, students, this I have done to explain you. These things you can done orally. See, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 is 4, digital root is 4 and 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 digital root is 4 and 4 and 4 is the same. So your answer is right. These calculations which I have shown you here, you can do in your mind if your addition is strong. Now students, we will move to our next sum. Two sums we will do by explaining, two sums we will do orally, so that you can get that how fast you can check your addition sums. 4, 2, 3, 8, 3, 2. Addition. Now, first of all, add 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 8 plus 4, 12. See now. Now, find out the digital root of your first number. That is 4 plus 2 plus 3. I am explaining this so that the students who have not seen my previous video or this time also they are little bit confused, they can see it very clearly. Now 4 plus 2 plus 3. How much? It's 9. Now next add all the digits. Means find the digital root of this number. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 is not a digital root. Add it again, 1 plus 3, 4. Now you have got this. The digital root of this number is 9. The digital root of this number is 4. Now add them both. Remember students, you have to add the digital root of both the numbers. 9 plus 4, 13. Now 13 is not a digital root. Add them again, there is 4. Now 4 is your last. Now find the digital root of this number. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now this is not a digital root, add it again and it comes 4. So they both are same. So your answer is right. Again I am repeating. What are the steps? The first step is you have to find the digital root of your first number. Then second step, you have to find out the digital root of your second number. Third step, you have to add them both. Now adding comes 13, but 13 is not a digital root, so you have to again add it and it becomes 4. Means the last number which should come, it should be between 1 to 9. So 4. Now find the digital root of your answer, and these both are same, so your answer is correct. These calculations, students, you have to do in your mind. You don't have to write. Now we will go to our next sum. Third sum, 6372. This sum we will do orally in our mind. I think students, now you have seen my video. You know how to take out digital roots, and we have done the two sums. Now you are much clear with it. Now first of all add 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 7, 13. Now find out the digital root of this number. Now how to find the digital root of this number? By adding them. So 6 plus 3, 9. Find out the digital root of this number. 7 plus 2, 9. Now you have to add them. 9 plus 9, 18. You have to add the digital root of both the numbers. So 9 plus 9, 18. Now 18 is not a digital root. I have told you have to add it again. Till then it become a single digit. Now 9 it is there. 1 plus 8, 9. Now find the digital root of this number. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See, 9, 9. They are the same. So your answer is right. Now same way we will do your fourth sum, and the sum will be orally. 7, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 7, 8. Add them. Now first of all add your sum. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 phone here. 1 will go, carry. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13, 3. 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 plus 5, 12. Now this is your answer. Now is this answer is correct or wrong? Find out with the help of digital root. And now find out first of all the digital root of this number. First of all add all the numbers. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 is not a digital root. 21 means 2 plus 1 means 3. See, orally I have done. You can do by writing if you are not getting it. But this time I have done this sum orally. I found out the digital root of this number. This digital root of this number is 3. Now the digital root of this number. Now 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. Now 23 means 3 plus 2, 5. Got it, students? Now what you have to do? You have find out the digital root of this number. You have find out the digital root of this number. Now you have to add them. Now 5 plus 3, 8. And this is your digital root. Now add these numbers. Find out the digital root of the answer. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Now 17 means 8. See, the answer is, the digital roots are same, means your answer is correct. See students, always listen my words. Addition and subtraction is easier than multiplication and division. If you are checking your answer by doing any multiplication or division, it is much difficult than addition. Addition is the easiest thing which you are doing from your childhood days. But if you are getting stuck in adding these numbers, this means your addition is not strong. Please make your addition strong. Now your class is quite big, so you should have a habit of adding the numbers in your mind. If you are not well with it, so students, just practice it at home. Like you can practice like this: 5 plus 3, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5, 8 plus 8, 16, 8 plus 7, 15. So this way you can just practice it at home so that your calculations will become strong. This Vedic maths classes is for this only, students. It improves your mental ability and make your calculation speed fast. So kids, this for today. Again I will repeat my method. The first step, which is you have to find out the digital root of the first number. Then you have to find out the digital root of your second number. Third step, you have to add both the digital roots of your number, and the last number should be a single digit number. Like this. Your fourth step is you have to find the digital root of your answer, and in 4 steps you can check your addition. I hope students you got my method. And listen students, with this video I have given you one practice PDF. In that PDF there are sums related to addition. So first of all you have to add those sums. Then you have to check it orally. I prefer you not to use any rough work. Orally try to check your sums with the help of digital roots. You can write this much, but I prefer to do it orally and do that sums in your Vedic maths notebook. I hope kids you like my video, and make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more, because next time we will take the topic of use of digital roots in case of subtraction. So students, stay tuned to learn your next method. Thank you.
Practice the sums at home. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.